General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing an Affiliate Marketing 3.0 official presentation. All products and services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, belong solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another corporate presentation day. But of course, today is my favorite day of the week, and that is because it's update day and because it is 3FO payday. I can't wait to see what all the information is going to be today. Whatever it is, I know it's going to be exciting because it's going to be either all about Rift, because of course we've been waiting for the launch for that to go live, and we've had 9 days of education all around, or 10 days all about Rift and how it can simplify the trading world, which of course for me as a non-trader is only something to be grateful for. I don't know about the rest of you, but of course today as 3FO payday is always a great day. I know we're looking forward to other updates. I can't promise that those will come today, but we will definitely be finding out about Rift. Now, let's welcome our panel. So welcome to Lucky, who's joining us this evening, and everybody else. That's Carl, Rajiv, Mikhail, Finau. Welcome to you all.
Thanks, Joe, and good evening, everyone. I just wanted to let everyone know, Joe, today we had around 100 leaders whitelisted on Rift who are now testing the system. So we will be giving feedback and testing it for everyone, and giving feedback to Chavez and the team if there's anything needs fixing or anything is not working before we give it to the community. Thanks, Joe.
Fantastic. Amazing. So yes, lots of people are now testing the live system. I've had a little dabble myself today, and I made a couple of quid. That's not a lot, but I only put in $50 just to play and test. That doesn't give you the same kind of leverage as having $10,000 on the virtual account. But yeah, that was good fun. So let's have a quick look, see if Chavez has joined us yet. Is Chavez here yet? No,
No,
okay.
it's not.
No problem. So while we're waiting for Chavez to come, perhaps we can take a few comments from anybody in the panel that has been testing it live as well. Who would like to go first? Nobody's rushing. I'm going to pick on someone. Go on, Carl.
No, go to Mikhail, because I got whitelisted while I was asleep, so I haven't played with it yet.
Mikhail, I know you've had a couple of successes in your community. Tell us all.
Well, in the community, I don't know yet. It's been a busy day here. I am whitelisted, but yes, I haven't tried myself either, so I'm also curious. to get things going. So sorry, you have to go to someone else.
It's like, Joe, I think everyone just kind of got whitelisted this late in the afternoon, evening.
Right.
So they'll be testing and checking it. Hopefully we'll have more feedback tomorrow.
Oh, okay. No problem. So yes, that'd be good. Then we'll have some real results for everybody to tell us about tomorrow evening. Well, let's review the week then. Let's have a look at where we started off with while we're waiting for Chavez to come. So, you know, we looked at the world of trading in general at the beginning of this journey 10 days ago, and how they have stacked the system against us. And I think, if we're honest, most people probably already knew that. We the small people, are placing our trades. How can we possibly battle against these big companies that spend millions of dollars on technology, especially now in the world of AI? These people that have, before the world of technology, before AI, who have, you know, trained for years to understand the charts and to be able to read the charts, to make not predictions but educated anticipations. How could we begin to stand a chance trading against these kind of organizations? So we've looked at how the system isn't designed for you to be a winner in this system. We looked at the technology that all of these companies are using, from small level technology that can not predict, but, you know, things like bots that will place trades for you, that can do all of the trading for you at a much faster rate than a human can do. But you still have to set those parameters. You're setting the stop loss, you're setting the take profit, and the bot is doing everything else, is choosing the trades based on those parameters that you're setting. And of course, I think that was probably the first step towards automation when we first started seeing bots. But as time has pressed on and technology has developed and grown, we've seen the world of AI take over, and we've seen that now for a couple of years. But I don't think for us as a community, for most of us, we probably haven't really seen it and experienced it until we saw Alpha AI come to fruition just a couple of months ago, where we could look at Alpha AI stats and see, you know, Alpha AI has got like a 65 to 75% success rate, and it is achieving great things and giving very successful and accurate signals, which is something that, you know, to be very proud of, I think, without doubt. But of course, now here we are with Rift, that is giving you a dating app kind of experience. I think Chavez coined that himself. I'm going to rob that from him and use it also. We've got this system with a swipe left, swipe right, but it will set everything else for you. It'll predetermine the take profit, and it will predetermine the stop loss, and it will look at the trades and in just a millisecond analyze and choose how that trade should be executed. And then all you've got to do is swipe left, swipe right. Don't like you, do like you. And then, of course, that's your trade set, and the rest is up to the gods. And we have been seeing, with the last few days of demo trading, we have seen people achieving pretty big results, pretty big profits with the demo trading, and following the system that Chavez laid out over the course of the last week, explaining how you can use leverage to increase the likelihood of profits, how you can use the not just the leverage but the risk factor. How risky do you want to make your trade, which of course expands the span between the take profit and the stop loss, giving you a much larger opportunity for profit, but also increasing your risk for loss. How big is your appetite for loss, for profits? Well, there's only one way to find out, and that is to test Rift for yourself. Now, I can see that Chavez is here, so let me quickly co-host Chavez, and then we can begin. I don't know who that is sharing, but it's not me and it's not Chavez. There you go. You are co-hosted, Chavez. Great to have you with us. Can't wait to begin.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Joe. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I believe everybody's doing good. Well, couldn't sleep for last 24 hours, and yeah, quite missing sleep. And yes, we are live, and another product moving live in a perfect way. Okay, so Rift is live now. Users can now trade who are whitelisted, can go ahead and trade on Rift. I placed few trades and on the real trading on our UI, and you can also do that if you are whitelisted. If not, then hopefully within couple of hours of monitoring, we will open the trade um, opportunity for everyone. And we have currently executed 895 trades already. So let's see. I believe my screen is visible. I have
It
put
is.
in one of my test accounts $121, and I placed a bunch of trades in which I made a loss, I made profits, both. And best of everything is visible on chain, and you can see your open positions on hyperscan, on perpetuals, on perps when you place an order. So everything that you place, so we will start placing orders and we will see how it affects, how it shows on the blockchain, like that. So let's go. Let's set lightning mode. We go with, let's go with $20 trades, and at high risk mode 6x, and let's place 3 long orders, 3 short orders, and see how it reacts randomly. One long, one short, another short, long, short. See, now we see on blockchain we have 3 short orders, 3 long orders, their active PNL, their liquidation point, price of entry price of token. This is the entry, this is the amount with leverage, this is the value at which it is placed, this is the leverage which we have borrowed for that particular transaction. And then you can see on your transactions there are open positions, short, long, short, long, short, long. 6 positions are active. Out of 6 positions, if we see only one is winning, if we filter our PNL like this, from low to high, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of all 6, 1 is winning, 4 is losing, and 1 is at 0. So This is a random, you know, this is not a strategy. We just placed some random trades to see what how it works, how positions are opened, how positions are closed. We will do it couple of times, then I will ask you to, you know, to give me your strategy, or we will choose somebody from our members and we will listen to your strategy and apply that on my account. Or we can have some leader try their strategy or show their account what they did. So far, we have seen 895 trades on, and this guy is at 29% profit. Took long, short. Mhm. See, for real also, same, way people are making profits, and these stats are going to go crazy. In just 895 trades, we can see there is a huge diversity, and I'm at second position. No, I made my win rate is 50%. Is this me? Yes.
It says you next to your address.
Yes, I think it's me.
Yeah.
Mhm. But I did not make 10% in the whole PNL. My PNL is at loss if we compare. So we need to check data also. This is exactly what we are doing with 100 people. So currently, if we see now, two positions are in winning and four are in losing, and I'm losing 21 cents. We can close one by one all the positions which are in profit or all the positions which are in loss, and then, or we can close the ones which are in profit and wait for the ones which are in loss. Whatsoever strategy we want to apply, we can do that. That all depends on us. Or the ones which are in loss, we can monitor those tokens on Dex screener and or any other chart and stat place, and we can see how these tokens are doing. When are we going to monitor and when are we going to see progress? Depending on the positions, we have Gala long, Millennial long, Ace short. So two long positions in one short. Now we have three winning and three losing. And we are cumulatively facing a loss of 11 cents. So we can look and wait at these opportunities. And while we do that, let's look at the big fish, what to do. How is the movement in the market? What shall we do? If we look at Bitcoin, the volatility is not too big right now as it was when rest of you made some kind of money. I could see on WhatsApp people shared screenshots. Ethereum is also volatile, but not so volatile. Let's see the candles. We can do something on Ethereum short. So what we will do, we will go filter short and disable the lightning mode. Try to find Ethereum. Well, option to find opportunity card for that particular asset we are integrating. There's a search button which we are integrating very fast now before the manual trade begins. So we don't have to go through all the cards. Bitcoin short is also there. Let's see if let's go to the trade card of Bitcoin. Okay, we don't have funds, we have active positions. Let's close it. Let's close at 34 cents, 30.34. Lost all the positions, then we will have funds to trade. So if we go now we need to find Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin short going to help us? I don't think so. I'm scared to place Bitcoin short because the candles are behaving differently. I can go with Ethereum short, not a problem. We got Ethereum short. Now let's go with $72 trade with 20x leverage. Okay, I don't think can win, but let's see what we can potentially do. So we look at the blockchain and we see we have an order already at 25x leverage. On Ethereum, we are making some profits and it's 12 cents. I want a little more to close it. The moment we get $1, we close it. Deal, right? 70 cents, 79. We make $1, we close it. Dollar. That's 1% of $100. We made $1.33. That's 1.84% right away, like this. So we can do something in BCH also. Let's open BCH. Let's open a small position in BCH at $44 with 10x leverage and see how it reacts. On blockchain, we see now we have one more position that is open with 10x leverage. We are facing a loss currently of 0.02. More. Okay, so the chase is to make it even and close it. The moment we go zero, we close this. We don't want to face any loss or profit on this. That was just a gamble. Okay. Till we do that, till it gets into profit, we can see it on over here, and let's continue to find something else. Let's go with some long orders. Let's see what we can bet on long. right now in market. Make sure the risk is highest. Litecoin, long. Let's look at the candles of NTC. No, cannot do red. No. Let's see something else. See, we got Bitcoin also in the long. World Liberty Finance. We can go long on Verify. Let's place a small trade of 11 or 23 with 5x leverage and go with. So BCH, we are in profit. We are closing as per our risk appetite. We closed BCH. Now we look. This was also in a little bit of profit, but not a loss. So let's look at World Liberty Finance. I'm just doing the platform testing as to how quickly the execution and the trades are behaving and how quickly the platform is reacting on the actions that we are interacting it with. Now Verify is also in profitable position with us. Mhm. 0.27 profit. Okay. For now, shall we close it? Or we wait for it to make $1 for us or 50 cents?
I think we
Well,
wait.
okay, let's wait. Let our greed win. See, we are in loss. Again in profit. So till we do that, let's find something else. Let's see where the volatility is getting bigger. We can bet on Bitcoin as well, few trades to snipe some money, not a problem. Only 15 minutes is the problem with. Still we are at loss. But okay. So, okay, we can do a long on Bitcoin, I believe. Let's gamble with all on Bitcoin. Filter long. The moment we find Bitcoin, we do 100% at 40x. Come on. cover positions, long 40x, value amount, entry price, funding, then liquidation price. Bitcoin, we are making $1 fee now. Tell me, we're
About we
making
close.
$1. We close
Yes.
$1.23. We close or we
Yes.
wait?
Maybe close.
We close $1.23. No, $1.07. Till we clicked on close button, we lost 23 cents. Oh, it did not close. I have to do it again. Let's wait. Go at the chart again. Wait for the green candle to become greener and bigger. Oh, it's closed at 24 cents of profit at 0.25%. So, and still Welfi is in loss. The moment we will reach even at Welfi, we'll close it. Now let's go and find out something else to bet upon. Or let's go with Rift's suggestions. How about that? I'm not a trader. I don't have any insight. I don't have any understanding. I'm just selecting $11 with 3x leverage at maximum risk, and my filters are all long and short. I will do what? First, I will close Welfy and get my anxiety out of my brain. I may get a loss. Still, we got a loss of 0.01. No profit, no loss kind of deal, but still we faced a loss. Okay, so we will do what? We will do 3-3 again, or let's do 5-5. 5 longs, 5 shorts of $11. Okay, let's start with gas. $5. 1, 2, gas. Long, short, short. So we have 1 long, 2 shorts. 2 longs, 3 shorts, 4 longs, 4 shorts. We have 7 positions. Let's do 3 more. 10 positions we have. We went with Rift's suggestions at $11 ticket size, and we placed some random trades. Now 3 are winning, 7 are losing. Let's wait. Now more. 4 are winning, 6 are losing. It is more or less like a game only. You place few trades, you snipe some profits, you exit right at your greed level, and you make money. That's it. And few trades you can do smartly, like looking at the chart, looking at the positions in the market, and you can grab some money with high leverage, and that's it. Now if we will go on Hyperscan, we will see all our positions, open positions, the one which we are not in loss, the ones which we are in profit, all of them, their amount, their value, their entry, their price, P&L, funding, liquidation point, everything you see. And then in transactions, you can see how these orders are executed. So everything is transparent, everything is on chain, and everything moves very fast. See, out of 10 trades, we are nearly missing out almost nothing. And we, if the market is in right position, and if 9 out of 8 are winning, we can make some money and smartly exit with some amount of money. And so we will wait at these positions for for some time, and then we go. Let's look at the leaderboard. We have 15 traders. Oh, we have a new winner. 51% win rate. 243 trades. See how different it is on trading on the real market and trading with $10,000 demo account. Joe was right. If we have an option to give you a demo account also of your customized ticket size, that would have made you, even more smarter while trading. So this is the difference. Our win rate in the demo version was more than 50% mostly, and right now it is 16%. But you will see how gradually it will change, how gradually it is going to rise. 904 trades so far, and few people have. We have only 15 traders, so 13 are here, 2 are not listed. Okay, let's look at our positions. Now we are at 11 cent. Lost 2 are winning, 10 are losing, 8 are losing. Okay, anyone else who wants to show what they did, or they want to play with us, or you guys want to suggest something? Type in the chat. What do we do? We have a tool here. I can listen to you guys and do it.
Yeah, I took sand and it is positive.
Let's do it.
Yes.
No, we cannot. We have all the funds at stake. So
Oh
we need.
shit. Oh no. Sorry.
So let's close the profitable ones and release some capital that can be used for further trades. This is also a smart strategy if you're trading with low amount of money like me, 150 dollars. What you can do, or you can close your profitable trades and uh, get your money, uh, working and place more trades. Let's, shall we go with Trump? How's Trump doing? Trump is doing crazy these days, but yeah, let's see. Indeed, Trump is crazy, unpredictable. Cannot place a long one with Trump. Sorry, Trump. Okay, if rest of the positions 8 are in negative, so we wait for these positions till we find one or two more which can help us win, or let's do a short again long on Trump. No, Why are we trying to find? Let's place trades randomly. Okay, now two only we can place. Zora, Millennia. Zen is in. What did we do with hype? We did a short. Okay, with Zen we are. So whatever we get at no profit, no loss, we close it and get our capital released, and we find another one, and we keep doing that. Let's do a ETH long. I so want to, but I don't have free money to do that now. Let's get our money out from some trades. Let's do a long. How's ETH doing? I think it might get a green candle next. So basically 10 positions we have. One more we got in 0, 0. We close this in profit. AR. Then we have ETH coming even. Let's make some money on ETH. And 50 cents and we close all. ETH is going to make money for 9 or more positions, which is very promising for me right now. So 60 cents. Is ETH going to cover the loss of 9 other trades or not? Still reds. Now our goal is to close all positions in no profit, no loss, or little bit in profit. So we look at ETH and bet on ETH. See, perpetual orders. These are my recent orders that I placed. I started Bitcoin BNB, then I placed some random trades, 3 long, 3 short kind of trades, and then I did a couple of more recently with you guys. Well, these are all small trades, so these are not very volatile ones, and we can leave these trades as well, ideally. Not very long, not at very big leverage, 3x generally, and all of them are at 3x with $11. So what we can actually do, we can place these trades and wait patiently for the results. Not These are not quick money making gambling trades. So until we do that, let's go to someone else. If you got anyone up to share the screen or trade with us.
Anybody there in the panel or in the general community, Chavez?
In the general community, if anyone wants to trade, just raise your hand. I will whitelist your address right now, and we can do step by step, deposit funds on call, and we can do whole process.
Okay, we've got a Victoria Gary that's ready. Shall I co-host?
I think we had Eunice first.
Let's go with you.
Should we
It's
go
okay.
with
It's okay.
Victoria or Eunice?
I'm already whitelisted. Go ahead with Victoria Chavez.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Victoria, you can unmute. Where would you like them to send? Do you want them to put their wallet address, their
Email address
email address in the chat?
Okay.
in the chat.
Victoria, if you can put your email address in the chat for us, please.
We'll do that.
Make sure it's available to see. You can send it directly to Chavez.
Okay. So I just lost my screen.
Until we do that, Victoria, just share your email with me in the chat and I get it whitelisted. While we do that, let's have Eunice do some
Okay.
profit sniping with us. Let's
Hi, Chavez. No, actually, I have a question. Is regarding the wallet. I have a situation today. Somebody sent, instead of send USDC, he sent USDT to the
No.
wallet to Riff. Now we took the private key. We went to MetaMask. I just wanted to know if the process is that. Went to MetaMask, we add in the private key, then we add we add the hyper liquid, but then because it's Arbitron, we have to actually go in a Arbitron.
Arbitrary, yes.
Yes, and he just need to add USDT Arbitron. They should be see the 20 whatever dollars they put it there, no?
Correct.
Okay. And when you go to the blockchain to the hyper scan, what do you using to check the wallet, the deposit address?
I will show you. Wait. Let me whitelist.
Okay, we're going to need Victoria to obviously deposit some funds.
I don't know how to do that.
We'll teach you, don't worry.
I am, for everybody that's interested, I am currently halfway through editing a video that will explain how to deposit your USDC into Rift, and I'll be publishing that later this evening.
So I have given it to team to whitelist Victoria's email first.
Thank you, Shelly.
I'll just double check something. Victoria, you have registered in Rift on the demo at the moment, haven't you?
Yes.
Good.
Okay, we've got several hands up here. Chavez, do you want to take any more, or is it just staying at Victoria?
Let's do one by one because I don't know how long team is going to take to whitelist Victoria.
Okay.
Let's get Victoria in first and then I commit more
Okay.
people. Yeah. So until we do that, let's go to Eunice's query on Hyperscan. So Eunice, let me show you where do you see your address and what is the address that you look on blockchain. Okay, this is, so where you deposit funds is this address, right? Arbitrum address.
Yes.
This is your deposit address. If you'll find on Hyperscan, you will see the funds which are there. But
Even if they are deposited in Arbitrum.
yes.
Okay.
So, or you can check on Arbitrum scan. But actually, what it is there, you click on settings, you go to your address here. This is your address of your account. This is basically a bridged address. What we have done, we have built Arbitrum to Hyperliquid bridge so that you don't have to manually bridge your funds.
Okay.
Mhm.
Understood that. Yes.
So
But if my friend, he will see their funds where, you know, he's in MetaMask right now. He put the
he
private
will
key.
here.
Yeah, but they put it. They didn't put it a USDC. They put USDT.
No problem. They will see funds in the MetaMask when they add Arbitrum USDT in their MetaMask. They will see the funds.
There should be this one. Okay, perfect. Okay, good to know. Thank you, Chavez.
Mhm.
And another thing, you know, I the way you explain,
Mhm.
I understand completely, and the reason why is because I used to do future trading in centralized exchanges, meaning what we're doing here is similar exactly, you know, less complicated that in the way we do it in a centralized exchanger, because put 50 trades in a centralized exchanger, we do all the verifications, see if it's a short or long. They would take me at least an hour to do everything. You know, here is like a click, 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 click. That's it. Now, I know by experience there are many people that won't do that. They just want to put the money, set
Victoria,
and do
sorry,
the automatic thing. How
Nora,
we are, how we are in that part.
sorry, Eunice, 1 second. Nora View, then we have Victoria whitelisted. Next is Nora View getting whitelisted, Terry Jr. getting whitelisted, Amy J getting whitelisted. All of you, I'm whitelisting you right now. So Amy J, Nora, Terry, and Victoria, you are whitelisted already. Okay. Sorry, Eunice, go on.
No, I'm just asking, you know, because the people, I know there are a few people that will do manually. I know in my team there's few people that are like that. They like to do it manually, but there's other people, most of the people they just want to doing it automatically. Just, get into their account every day, see if the accounts go up and down. That's it, When the automatic system will be available, and if any, I know already you explained already different type of automatic thing, the low risk, medium risk, high risk. Is the license that will be available in 3F4 when they will be available? And that's it. That's my two questions from today.
We have started implementation from today. First of all, the goal is to push the real trading live for everyone. So we are first monitoring with bunch of users. That is you guys, the first early testers, or I would say early MVP users for 24 hours. And tomorrow at the same time, we push it open for everyone. And once we are live, then we start integration of auto trading engine. That is the first win. Darwin, I have given your email to be whitelisted. Mikhail, your guy's email is underway. I hope in 1 minute all of these will be whitelisted. So, where is she? Who did we whitelist first?
Victoria.
Victoria. Victoria. So, Victoria, what you have to do, let me share my screen and show you how you can deposit funds and how you can start trading. So on your screen here, it shows the demo account and the real account enabling features. And once you enable your real account, you click on deposit button. You see Arbitrum USDC. You copy this address and or scan it with other device and send Arbitrum network USDC. It will automatically be converted into hyperliquid USDC and it will be deposited in your account automatically. We have built a bridge inside the Rift from Arbitrum to hyperliquid so that you don't have to manually do it. Same is with withdrawals. You can withdraw USDC like that, and once you deposit your, okay, let me check one thing. Why is it showing only $13 withdrawable? So these are the small, basic things that we need to focus on. I'll see with the team. And
Chavez, does it
yeah,
withdraw on the Arbitrum network also?
yes, it does.
Perfect.
Mhm.
Gervais, I've got a bit of feedback for people. And by the way, I'm going to brag first. I just jumped from not even on there to number 8 on the leaders board with 4 trades. But the feedback is when you close all people, there is a process. It's going to take a few milliseconds. And I had all 4 trades in profit, but in that small window of closing all the trades, one of them slipped into negative. So I didn't have 100%. I only got 75% success rate. So you need to temper your enthusiasm for only profits, that there is a time lag for those to close a little bit.
Mhm. So Victoria, let us know if you're ready. Um, we will, or somebody else who wants to start or begin with us. and do some trades.
Perhaps the prerequisite should be, if you want to be whitelisted, do you have your funds ready on the Arbitrum network, ready to transfer in?
Yes.
Beverly, are you ready? Do you have your funds ready to transfer?
I have to put it there on the Arbitrum, you said?
Mhm.
Yeah, you need at least $12, but I would say probably better to send in something like 20, 30, 40 or $50 USDC on the Arbitrum network.
Okay.
Once you've done that, then put your hand up, we can bring you back in.
Okay.
Anybody else that's ready? Chavez, I've had a request if you could speak a little louder, please. Some people are having a bit of difficulty hearing you.
So sorry. I haven't slept. Maybe my voice is.
Yes, so anybody out there that wants to be whitelisted now and would like to start trading now, then if you've got, I don't know, say $50 sitting on in your wallet on the Arbitrum network, or you've got access to transfer on the Arbitrum network, then put your hand up, we'll bring you in, and then we'll facilitate you doing that transfer and get you whitelisted. Not too many takers.
Let me first give you all. Terry, you guys can check after Victoria. We have Terry, Nora, MEJ, Jorgen, Darwin. Check your Rift accounts. I believe you all are whitelisted.
And if I can just add on, because I had a question come through on WhatsApp as well, if you don't mind, Chavez. There isn't anything when you log into Rift, there isn't anything that says you are whitelisted. Although that might be a nice feature to add, Chavez, when somebody logs in, opens it up, it says you're whitelisted. I don't know if it's possible or necessary, but perhaps a nice feature. But you'll know if you're whitelisted because you'll be able to switch from demo mode to real trading mode. Chavez just demonstrated how to do that switch on his phone, but you'll know you're whitelisted because when you try to deposit, it will ask you to switch to real trading mode. And if you can't do it, you're not whitelisted. And if you can, you are.
And while I was withdrawing, here only $13 is available to withdraw because I have 2 positions that I closed and rest all positions are intact. So you can see available USDC that is in my wallet, in my custody, that is $13 available. That is only which I can withdraw out of $111. So this is the reason why.
Say that again, Chavez. Repeat that for people.
When I went to withdraw my balance, I was getting option only to withdraw $13 out of 111. The reason because we just have $13 worth of USDC in the wallet. Rest all positions are open. So the funds are distributed in different assets with currently open positions.
Okay, so Beverly's got her hand up now. I believe Beverly might be ready. Are you ready, Beverly?
Yes, I have the Arbitrum.
Okay, let me co-host you. Oh, I already have done. No, I've done. Oh, here we go. Let me co-host you. Okay, so You know how to do the transfer?
Yes, it's in MetaMask. Where is
Okay.
it going?
So in your Rift, if you open up Rift and click on the wallet on the bottom left.
Bev, have you got whitelisted already?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Give me your email then.
I
No.
believe she did put it in earlier, didn't she? Was she not
I'm
one of the
sure.
ones
No,
who
I
put it in?
think we asked her to put the funds in. I think
Oh,
that's
okay. Yes, you can't put the funds in. Oh, you have the funds ready. Yeah, so you need to give your email address so that now you're ready. Put your email address in the chat.
Okay.
And rest of others can check if you guys got whitelisted or not. And who wants to trade with us on the screen if you guys want to?
I make a mistake with the email. I have to change.
No
Okay.
problem.
Send it either to everyone or send it directly to Chavez.
Okay.
We have 3 positions in winning for now. See, we waited. 3 are winning. Out of 9, 6 are losing. So it's these were small positions, and yeah, we can actually wait with these small positions and have some patience. Whatever Rift suggests you, it always, it tends to make you win, in fact.
Yeah, I sent it.
Are you giving us your email address, Beverly?
Oh, I think I sent it to you by mistake.
No problem.
To Shiba Joe.
Okay, let me see that. I thought you said you wanted to change it.
Yes, that's the correct one.
Oh, okay. So let me send to Chavez then. Right, I'm sending it to you now, Chavez. Okay, you get it?
I got it. Bev Paul 863 at Gmail.
Yes.
Perfect.
okay. Victoria's ready.
Yeah, Victoria's has got a fund ready. Put your hand up, Victoria.
Done. Rest of all emails are done. Bev, you are on the way. I believe 5 to 10 more seconds.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's go to Victoria then. Victoria, your account is funded if you're able to share screen.
Joe, to walk me through, please.
You're on your mobile, right? So tap on the screen.
Okay.
You should see a toolbar come up at the bottom. Yes.
Mm-mm.
If you tap
I
on
didn't
tap on the screen, you'll see a toolbar come up on the bottom.
All I
No?
see is the chart and what is the button that says more? Let me see if that brings something up.
If you've got the toolbar come up at the bottom that says more, click on more.
Okay, done that.
And then
I
you'll see the option to share screen.
Okay.
Click on share screen, then select entire screen.
Select. can't see entire screen. It says share camera or photos or Zoom whiteboards.
Scroll down, you should see an option. Scroll and you'll find an option that says screen.
Screen, okay. I do see screen.
Good, select that.
Bev, can we confirm your email address once? It's BEVRLYPSUL 863, right?
Beverly?
Or is it?
Yes, it's BEVERLY
Uh-huh.
PAUL.
Okay. It's PAU, you put PSU.
You have put PSU.
PAUL.
Okay, that's why my developer got it.
Yeah, I sent in the correct one
Not a problem.
to Shiva Joe.
Yeah, it's okay. You just put in an S instead of an A by accident. No problem.
We understood it.
Okay, Victoria is currently sharing.
Am I there, Joe?
Yes, you are sharing. So at the bottom of your screen, I can't see the bottom of your screen. I think my toolbar's in the way.
It looks like I'm still on the demo screen because it's
Yes.
showing.
Can you see the wallet on the bottom left?
Yes.
Click on the wallet. Yeah. Click on that wallet down on the bottom left.
Nothing is happening.
Okay, go back to that screen. You're going to need to reduce your screen size a little bit because your icons, those 4 icons, are slightly below the screen level. So go back to the other screen, to the Rift screen. No, the Rift screen.
Okay, hold on. Now I've lost you.
Careful
This
what
one.
you're sharing. That's it. Okay. Right. At the moment, those 4 icons, the wallet is below the screen level. So it's switching screens because it's overlapping with your switch screen function.
Okay. Can I stop sharing and then try to see if I
Yes.
can fix it and get somebody else?
Yes, stop sharing
Okay.
and then click on the wallet.
Hmm.
Okay, let's stop you sharing. Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Got it.
please, good. I don't know
That's
how
it.
to. Thank you. I'll watch somebody else do it.
Okay, no
Wow.
worries.
Okay,
Beverly, are you ready?
MEJ.
Yes.
Or who else is ready? Terry is whitelisted. MEJ is whitelisted. There is one more request. Shankar Mahanandi. Shankar Mahamadi. 313. Okay, I'm whitelisting you. Shankar.
Okay, Nora,
Yes, Joe.
do you have funds ready?
Yes, I transferred $28, I think $30 to see.
Into Rift?
Is that in Rift? I have it in my OKs and I already put the address. Can I share my screen and see what I did?
Chavez, yes?
You can.
Yeah. Okay, let me co-host you. Okay, you're co-hosted. So
Okay.
share your screen.
Thank you.
But Nora, first transfer funds on your this Rift account, and then we share your screen, because while you will be transferring, it will not be good to share screen. Do you understand?
Okay. So what? Yeah, I copied the address, and yes, I did deposit, copy the address, but I have it in USDT. Is that okay?
No, USDC,
T
arbitrary.
or C?
C.
All right. So I have to
Mhm.
set it in. All right. Let me do it quick. Okay, 7 for USDC. So.
Just chime in here. Remember, everybody, the acronym PANT, platform, address, network, token. Remember, network and token are very important. So make sure all 4 of those requirements are correct. It's on the platform you're sending from, on the platform you're sending to. Well, in this case, we know it's your address. The network is Arbitrum. The platform is Rift. And the token, always
So
USDC.
when I click on convert a network, and I choose the Arbitrum.
Yes.
Okay. So convert to.
All the emails are whitelisted now. Shankar. Then we had someone else. Joel Brown. No.
Converting USDT to USDC Arbitrum. Let's see.
Mars
$8.
Darte, who is
So
this?
let's make another request. If there's anybody that is ready, so
You.
by ready, if you check on your
It's all converted, it said.
yeah, check on your Rift account to see if you can switch to live mode, to real trading mode.
I did. I went there.
Good, and then transfer your funds. I'm talking in general, Nora, at this moment, and then
Okay.
send your funds into Rift ready, and that will make this a little bit more expeditious. Okay, are you done, Nora?
Eunice, this guy got whitelisted. Mercedio Lindarte, who is
Thank
this?
you, Chavez.
I think I'm
muted.
ready.
All right, let's be able to
Okay.
do it.
Go on and share your screen. Nora? Are you with us, Nora?
I was muted. I'm here. Trying to
Okay.
transfer it from OKS to Rift. If you can take somebody else, that's okay. I can transfer it to Rift and I'll let you know. Is that okay?
Yeah, no
Okay.
problem. So
Okay.
anybody else that's ready, who knows how to transfer?
I'm ready.
Yeah, okay. Who was that? Beverly? Okay.
Yes.
So share your screen. That's it. So you are sharing, so you can now switch screens. And swipe me off the screen. I take no pleasure in seeing myself on the screen. Okay. Chavez, we have someone ready.
Perfect. Let's go. Bev, what do you wanna do? You wanna go to a casino or you wanna go to a trading house?
Um, tell me what to do. I don't know what I'm doing.
Me too. Well, I'm in profit with 3 trades and 6 are losing. Let's do it randomly and Bev. Let's go and set lightning mode with $11 and we can do 2-3 trades and let it sit. You have one position open.
Mhm.
Good. Okay, so place couple of trades. Give us a
Okay,
walk.
I
Careful
have
what
to,
you're
I have to
sharing.
unshare because I don't know what I'm
This.
doing. I just have to look along.
Okay. Look alone and come
Yeah.
back to the engine
Mhm.
then. Anyone else who wants to do some open and close trades with us? Okay.
Okay, Quasi, are you ready with the funds in Rift? Open your camera for us, please, Quasi.
And people who got whitelisted recently or who were whitelisted from evening, only raise your hands. Because
Okay, Chavez, we're coming up to an hour and a half now, so so Quasi, have you transferred the funds into your Rift account?
I tried to transfer it just now.
Okay, so is that a no or a yes?
We're using USDC.
Yes.
Yes.
USCU.
USDC on the
Okay,
Arbitrum
no problem.
network.
Bro, have you got whitelisted, Quasi? Are you whitelisted or not?
Unmute, Quasi.
Did we whitelist him?
My money's in. It's arrived in Rift.
Amazing. Congratulations. Bravo, Noora.
Thank you.
Okay, let's test Nora then.
All
Let's
right.
make this the
You want
last
me
one,
to
shall
share?
we? Okay, go on and share then.
Okay.
Okay, you are now sharing, so switch. Push me off the screen.
Yeah.
Quasi, till she
It's
does
right
that,
there.
write your email in the chat, Quasi, so that I can whitelist you.
Do you
Joel
see it,
Brown.
Joe?
Yes.
Portfolio? Okay. I'm calling Carl Joe. Sorry. So what do I do next?
You click on the second option, the next to the wallet where cards are visible. From bottom tray, you go on the second option, right? Then you wanna do, okay, turn on the lightning mode.
So I go here.
Not, this is filter. Next to filter, there is lightning mode.
This one? Okay.
No, not this one. The left one. The lightning mode. Yes,
No.
turn it on. Turn it on. Okay, you wanna stay at 3x leverage or less?
Let's do the 3x.
Okay, okay.
Uh-huh.
Go. Then now go on to risk mode. If you want to turn on the risk mode, take a bigger risk for bigger profits.
Yeah,
And
where is it?
next to that, the last one, to the rightmost.
This one?
Yes, turn it on.
Okay.
You want the maximum risk? You can go with 6x. If you want to stay moderate, stay 3x or 4x.
I'll do 4x.
Okay,
No.
do 4x.
Okay.
Perfect, done. Now you see, go back, click anywhere in the screen. You see the profit cards, the opportunities. With $11, you can make potentially $1.16. And you can click on trade or swipe right to execute this trade.
Oh, I should swipe right?
Yeah, done.
Oh. So when you
Mhm.
swipe, then it means you hit trade.
Yeah, you can trade. You did already.
Oh.
Important to understand here that what you've done is opened a trade.
Okay.
Okay, you haven't opened, closed, and made a profit. You've just opened the trade at this point.
Okay. So how
Mhm.
many am I doing? Just one? Oh.
You can trade this one also. Just swipe
Okay.
right. Then go to the portfolio. Second option next to the trade card, you see a bar chart. Uh, that option. Third one. Third feature
This.
in the bottom.
Oh, okay. Right here.
Mhm. You have two positions open
Mm-hmm.
and both are in loss right now. You
Mm-hmm.
wait and hold on like me. Um, if I tell you my current status, mm, so you wait if
Okay.
these and once these positions will have profits, the positions will be automatically closed by Rift. And
Okay.
yes, so and the profit will be directly deposited in your wallet.
Oh, okay. So then it's my C phrase, that address I'm gonna go put in MetaMask.
Yes,
Okay. We're getting somewhere.
amazing.
Little by little, everybody's learning.
I know. Thank you, God. Thank you, Chavez.
Out of 9 trades, I am at 4 winning, 5 losing now. We just waited.
Okay, Chavez, perhaps you
Oh,
should look at.
I was gonna ask a question, Chavez. Sorry, God.
Okay.
So with these two trades, once they
Mhm.
hit the profit level, they're gonna close by themselves.
Automatically, yes.
Oh, okay. So we don't have to worry about it. Okay, good.
You don't need to close. You don't need, you just, if you want to check, you can check if you want, if you will see after some time, any one
Uh-huh.
of these trades are making small profits. If you want to take
Uh-huh.
small profit, see one is getting in profit, ton one is about to go
Yes.
in. The moment it gets into profitable, you can close all or you can close that one immediately and get a small amount of profit. Not a problem.
I, I,
It,
I can close the one that's in profit, right? That's what I was asking the last time. Can you
yes,
close individual trades?
yes, you can close each a single one or you can close all. It is not necessary or mandatory to close all.
So if I need to, let's say the tone, if it's in
Uh-huh.
the profit and I want to close it, I tap on the drop down
Click,
arrow.
click on the drop down arrow and there's a close button in the bottom. Scroll up.
Oh,
Yes, you click on close.
okay.
Mhm.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
perfect.
The
Okay.
system is designed to protect you in either direction,
Beautiful.
Nora. So when you go up into profit, it'll take profit. If it
Then
goes into
close.
loss, then it will close before the loss is too excessive.
Beautiful. Thank you, Chavez.
Welcome.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Carl. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you for participating, Nora. Much appreciated.
Okay, we're still here.
Okay. Yeah, you can stop sharing now.
Okay.
Let's do that for you.
Yeah, please stop it. Share here.
Perfect. Okay. Fantastic. Very, very interesting, Chavez, to watch that process going through. Perhaps we can look to wrap up now, Chavez. We've been an hour and a half.
Yeah.
I don't want people to start leaving and missing out on anything. So, is there any updates on any of the others, on any of the other things?
Updates what I will do, because I was not prepared, and what I will do, I will give all the updates. I have updates on Pi, Liquid Pay. I have update on Noto migration, everything. I will do all the updates on Friday. How about that?
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
And which case should we keep Friday at 9 p.m. UK time? Yes.
7 p.m.
Do it at 7 p.m. UK time.
Or
Yeah.
9,
Dina
9,
is served.
9
Hold on.
9
Let me
p.m.
just 9 p.m. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. 9 p.m. UK time Friday. Fantastic. There you go. So let's can someone mute? No, all right, there we go. Perfect. All right. Well, there you go, folks. Nice little tutorial for you to see and so you can now start playing around for yourself. For those of you who got whitelisted live this evening, congratulations. You can now start playing and practicing. For everybody else that is still on the demo mode, then I urge you to practice, practice, practice. Of course, we've got the automated system coming very soon, but it doesn't hurt to understand the system for yourself and have a little bit of fun. It's virtual money. Blow that $10,000. No one cares. You can reset it and then have another go if you get it all wrong. So enjoy it. Have a little bit of fun. Remember, you are trading on real markets. It's just virtual funds. So you've got nothing to lose, nothing to gain, but fun. Carl.
Everyone, remember, based on some of the actions today, people are forgetting how to do things. So go back to all of the pre-recorded sessions we've done over the last week and a half. Review them. Watch what Chavez has been explaining how to do things. People are obviously not getting all the information, so go back and do it all again. You're not going to damage yourself in any way. You're just going to reinforce all the information, and you'll be able to do things quicker and more accurately.
Fantastic.
And Chavez, I sent you the correct email for Jojo. She just messaged me.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Carl. I'm going to do a last call for anybody else on the panel that would like to add anything. Otherwise, we're going to wrap up. Anybody else? Last call.
Carl, Jojo's done, whitelisted.
Got that, Carl?
And this guy, somebody, Merce, you asked me in chat, you are also whitelisted. Then we have Jonas. Jonas, I'm whitelisting you, not right now, maybe. Okay, last one. Nobody after Jonas.
Okay, for now.
Okay, yeah, I also.
Okay, Chavez, if anybody in my community wanted to whitelist it, can I
send me
you the email?
Yes,
Thank you very much.
Perfect. Do it right now. Send it to me.
Okay, Chantal.
Yeah, well, first of all, I want to say thank you, Chavez, and thank you to the team for bringing it to this point and for, the fact that we can celebrate in that after such a long journey, we can actively trade. I've just done my first trades, very small margins, but this is how we are learning. But then secondly, I really want to speak to my African community. Guys, this is for you a step back into participating fully. Because with a few dollars you can start. You can build up your step up. And then you make sure that you have enough to participate in 3FO. Begin with transferring your Capital 3.0 tokens, because remember, we only have a few days left, and then build forward. There is no reason why you can't participate. And this is what Chavez has always said. Nobody is left behind. We might have moments where it is difficult, but there's always a new point where we start. So today is a celebration. And I'm super grateful, Chavez, that we are at this point. I'm looking forward for the rest of the month with everything that is coming. And I'm grateful for the rest of the team. I have been ill, so I wasn't always there, but we carried it together, and that's where I'm grateful. So I wanted to acknowledge everybody. And Lucky, you know, your leadership and your North Star is the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chantel. Yes, we knew that you were a little under the weather, and together we were all sending you best wishes and love to help you recover. So I'm glad that worked. Fantastic. Okay, so let's wrap things up. So to conclude, tomorrow night, 7 p.m. UK time, what do we have on the cards for tomorrow, Chavez?
Tomorrow we enable the whole community to start trading on with the real trading with the real money.
Okay.
So during this time we will enable everybody to trade.
Okay, and we're going to do that live here on the UK Prime Time, right?
Yes.
Okay, so there you go. You heard it here first. Make sure you're here tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. UK Prime Time. We're going to go live on Rift, live on UK Prime Time, and we'll get to see people depositing their, well, you can let you deposit your funds. You can come and share your screens and do a little bit of trading. Just be ready. Make sure you deposit in USDC on the Arbitrum network. Let it be ready. We'll have a little bit of fun. Don't miss it, and don't leave anybody behind. We'll see you all tomorrow night, folks. Good night. Have a great evening.
Thank you. Good night. See you all.